I'm recording you.
Okay, I thought my wife, Zelda, was doing the chicken.
He said he was going to season it.
This is her.
So
And then that's how we're going to season it. I said, I'm going to fix the vegetables and the potatoes. You fix the chicken.
Okay.
This is what the chicken look like now. Dead.
Right. That's how I see it. Okay.
Right. Unseasoned.
He said he was going to season it. Are you going to show them your seasoning?
Okay.
What you got now?
This is my family recipe. I can't give out. I just sprinkle it on. Season to taste.
Yeah. Salt and pepper. Paprika. That's what I do. Or my.
This is why I'm seasoning, not her.
See, you don't use gloves. I use gloves.
And that's that.
Oh. You want me to turn the water on? Oh.
And now you can follow me to the grill. This is Tony.
Okay.
And Zelda.
Yes.
Which we were supposed to be splitting the dinner today, cooking wise. I had to season it.
Okay. I thought he was going to season it. I didn't understand that. But anyway, I'll tell you about this chicken here after we get it on the grill. Don't drop it. Okay. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Why you have this so far away? Okay.
Because I wasn't supposed to be doing this. You were supposed to be doing this.
Okay, I'll tell you why we're doing the chicken today. All right, pause. Oh, I thought you drank my water. Okay. I was going to tell you why we're cooking the chicken today. I didn't even tell him this. So, sometimes we cook chicken because we just are hungry and we got to eat. But sometimes he cooks the chicken to get me out of the house or to get me out of the bed because I get stuck in a rut with depression and anxiety, and I don't want to come out. So this was his way to get me out. And I could have sworn he did say it. He was going to season the chicken, but I don't remember. I don't remember. But for real, I do suffer with it. And
the chickens were suffering today. But they should have been done by now because it's getting hot out here.
It is very hot out here. I'm sweating. I thought he drank my water. I'm sitting there going, wait a minute, we can record. He drank my water. But it's a good day. I'm glad I'm out here. I was up. I was able to see my son over there welding. And that is so exciting. He's, you know Mikey. Y'all know Mikey. He's over there welding. So if I haven't put a picture in here, I'll show you a little bit of him doing that. But anything else?
No, I got the potatoes ready. All you gotta do is turn those on.
Yeah, I showed you guys the potatoes. Listen, potatoes are in there.
I got those ready. All you gotta do is turn them on. Just turn it on.
I will. I promise.
And I'll show you the chickens when they are done.
Yeah. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Like. Every like that you give us, it helps us. We are 185 subscribers away from reaching 1,000 subscribers. So I really hope that you, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and share this with other people. That's it. Bye. Kind of late, but that's okay. It's hot. Don't burn yourself. Need one of those electric knives. Ooh, perfect.
Can you read that much?
Juicy. Yeah.